Hey Legends, want to disable crossplay in Apex and stick to playing with only your platform? I've got you covered. Let's get into it. For PC, this option is on by default. There's currently no way to turn this off. However, if you're on PlayStation, Xbox, or Nintendo Switch, you'll be able to do this. For PlayStation and Nintendo Switch, you will have the option to turn this off in the settings. First, from the main menu, hit Settings. You'll find it in the bottom right corner marked by a gear icon. Next, scroll over to the Gameplay tab, and this is where all your in-game preferences live. Now look for the cross-platform play option. By default, it's set to enabled. Click on it and switch it to disabled. For changes to fully take effect, restart your game. Now you'll only be matched with players on your platform. For Xbox, you're not able to do this in-game. You'll have to navigate to the privacy settings in your Xbox and turn crossplay off from there. Keep in mind that this will turn off crossplay for all your other games as well. For console players, it is important to note that turning off crossplay will increase your matchmaking time. If you do not want to play with PC players, you're normally just matched against console players, unless you're playing with a friend on PC. So you may not need to turn this off anyway. However, if you're looking to just play with players on the same platform, Xbox only, PlayStation only, Nintendo Switch only, then this is the way to do it. And that's it. No more crossplay in your lobbies. See you in the Outlands.